Hi friends, myself Satyam Srivastav. I have made this channel to explore knowledge and awareness about the different states and cities, religious places, tourist places, and historical places. So travel with Satyam at my channel Knowledge with Satyam. I would like to welcome you at my channel Knowledge with Satyam. Today I will make you visit Sri Pashupatinath Lord Shiva temple. Though mobiles and cameras is not permitted into the main temple ground, but I will share some video. We will feel you live into the temple ground. I will make sure you all will enjoy this video. Sri Pashupatinath temple complex is in Kathmandu, which is capital of Nepal. Nepal is neighbor country of India and known for its good culture, devotional and historical places. Kingdom of Janak of Ramayana, that is Janakpur, and Rishi Valmiki Ashram Chitwan, both is in Nepal. Nepal is in the lap of Himalaya, and you can say it is very close to the Tribhuvan airport and situated at the bank of Bagmati river. Since it connected by road with India, so by road also you can travel to these places. We may reach to this place by train till Nepal borders. From border we can take the bus and we can go to the Kathmandu. It's hardly whole night journey. From border area we can take car and we can reach to the Kathmandu also. So easiest way to reach to the Kathmandu from any of the India border, it is the air. So Delhi it will take hardly 2 hours to reach Nepal, and from the Bagdogara it's 40 minutes journey to Kathmandu. As I informed in map, Sri Pashupatinath temple is located at the bank of Bagmati river in Devi Patan village. It is recorded as UNESCO World Heritage. As we all aware that Lord Shiva has several names. Pashupatinath is one of them. Pashupatinath means Lord of all living being. Sri Pashupatinath Kshetra is among Nepal Char Dhama Kshetra, which is Bara Kshetra, Pashupati Kshetra, Mukti Kshetra, Ruru Kshetra. Like in India, we have Kedarnath, Rameshwaram, Dwarka and Puri. Pashupatinath is the oldest Hindu temple into Nepal. Its existence date is not clear, but some records says it dates back to 400 BC. However, current form of temple is constructed in 16th century. This temple is very popular among Hindus temple. During earthquake in 2015, there is no significant damage in Pashupatinath structure found, though it is the oldest temple, whereas severe damage happened in Nepal during this time. Entry in this temple is free for Indian and Nepali citizen. However, entry fee for the foreigners is 1000 rupees Nepali. Priest of this temple is known as Bhatt. No one is allowed to touch the lingam. Only 4 priests can touch this lingam or Lord Shiva. They are highly educated Vedic scholars from the Karnataka, which is the part of India. Unlike other Hindu temple, priesthood of Sri Pashupatinath temple is not hereditary. Priests are selected for group of scholars educated by the Sri Shankaracharya Peeth. After qualifying and fulfilling those criteria, they are selected for the priesthood by Rajguru Pashupatinath temple, undergoing strict examination on Vedas and Shiva Agamas, and then they chosen for the priest and send it to the Kathmandu for performing puja and daily worship of Lord Sri Pashupatinath. There are 4 gates to see the Lord Shiva in temple. These gates are covered with the silver. These gates opens at different time. The temple is open every day from 4 am to 9 pm, but it is closed in the middle of day between noon to 5 pm. The best time to visit the temple is early in the morning or late in evening. Aarti timing in Pashupatinath temple is 6 pm to 7:30 pm. We should reserve about 90 minutes to 120 minutes to visit temple and campus area properly. There are several chronicle stories regarding Lord Shiva relation with this place. One of them chronicle story is in brief is that Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati has come to Kathmandu valley and rested by Bagmati river while one of his visit. They were so impressed with beauty of surrounding places that they have changed themselves into deer and walked in forest. After a while, God and humans decided to return them to their duties as they need to balance the world, but Shiva rejected to return and they had fight. In the fight, Shiva lost one of his antlers, which later becomes the first lingam worshipped by the Hinduists into the Pashupatinath temple. Outside the temple, there is a very famous market known as the Pashupati Bazaar. We may get all religious book, Rudraksh, Saligram and other puja material from here. While entering into the temple, people used to take the flowers from here. It is also very common to meet sadhus in Pashupatinath temple area. Hinduists from every corner of India and Nepal are arriving here to die during their last days. It is believed that those who die in Pashupatinath temple are reborn as a human, regardless of any misconduct that could worsen their karmas. If you want to know more about historical and religious places, please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel, that is Knowledge with Satyam. You may also suggest the places which you want to know. I will try my level best to arrange the maximum detail about the place. Thank you.